Using American Express gift card on Shein. In this video, you are going to learn how to use American Express gift card on Shein. The process is very simple, so let's get started. The first step is you have to go to the mobile application or their website. After going to the application or website, log into your account, and if you have not an account, you have to create one. After logging in or creating your account, search their website and choose any product you want to buy. After choosing the product, you have to check out. For example, I'm adding this product into my cart, and after adding it to the cart, I will proceed to the checkout section. In the checkout section, I have to enter all of these details. For example, my location, my name, my last name, and I have to add up my phone number as well. Then I will save all of these options, and in my payment option, I will add credit card as the payment. Then I have to put my credit card information. I will put my American Express gift card information, and that's how you will be able to use American Express gift card on Shein.